tutorial, I will show you how to host your PC files and sites on your localhost too well. First of all, you need to install Python latest version on your PC. Open Chrome browser. Search install Python. Click on first link and install Python 3.10.2 version in your PC and simply install it like a exe file. Then you need a node.js package for this operation. Search node.js. Install in Windows and hit the enter button. Download node.js and install node.js Windows installer on your PC and install it. Now we are done. Open the file manager, Windows plus E, and search your device. How can you host it on your local area network to WAN area network? I host in this case Monist web series on index file. So click on path border in your file manager and search simply cmd with enter button. When your command prompt open, type python http.server and hit enter. Simply Python generated a port for you. It's called a port number 8000 in your local host. Open your browser and search. It's working. Localhost. Add 000 and hit enter button. My folder is open on local network. Now we try to host it on wide area network. Simply minimize Windows and open new command prompt terminal. There, command prompt, and let's install npm. Start the npm localtunnel for port forwarding. npm install this geek localtunnel and hit the button for installation. I already installed it, so it directly host my site on wide area network. LT port. When you mention your port, open Python server and check your port. In my case, 8000 is my port, so host 8000. When it you will generated a link for you. Simply copy this link and search on your local web and anywhere like a wide area network for use this port forwarding. You will show these folders on my PC in anywhere of the world. Thanks for watching.